Problem 9. C to the third, W to the negative 5, negative exponent. When I taught you with negative exponents, if it's a negative and it's up top, boom, it's going to move down below. And if it's negative down below, boom, it moves the opposite way up top. So I'm going to rewrite this. The first thing I like to do is clear out all negatives. Get rid of all that. Move the pieces that need to move. I can see this W to the negative 5 needs to move down below. H negative 1 needs to move below. C negative 1's going to have, since it's below, it's going to have to move up top. And the W negative 2 is going to have to move up top. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and move who needs to move. C to the third, here's my fraction right here. C to the third is fine, he stays. W negative 5, he's going to move down below. Once he moves, I can take the negative sign off of it. H to the negative 1 means it moves below. I'm not going to put a 1 there, it's understood that we only have one of them. I come below. C negative 1, it was below, it says, hey, it's got to move up top. Again, it'll be C to the first right there. W negative 2, it's negative, so it moves up top. And then H, nothing on it, so it stays below. Now all I need to do is clean it up. Again, I can see what the answer is going to be, but I'd like for you to remember this is C to the third, which means C, 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 and then another C, W, W. Here I have W, 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 because there's 5 of them, and then H, H. Now, I have some W's here and some W's here that are going to cancel with one another. There's 2 up top, so 2 below cancel with the 2 up top. There's all C's here, none down here, H's, no H's there. So that's all that can cancel out. So now I'm going to clean up to get my final answer. C times C times C times C is C to the fourth. W, W, W is W to the third down below. H, H, that's H squared right here. Now I know that a lot of us don't like writing this out. That's fine if you've mastered it, but you've got to make sure your mind is thinking this way so that you understand what you're doing mathematically and how you're getting your answer. One of these days you might have to explain it to a student yourself.